Hello, my name's Jenny Holloway and I'm the CEO of SMETA, which is an award-winning social enterprise. We have two main aims. We want to be a centre of excellence in two areas. One is garment manufacturing and the second is in skills attainment. And we are looking at levels 1 through to level 5 as well as apprenticeships. So why garment manufacturing? I think it is absolutely fantastic industry to go into. Having been an ex-senior buyer, which was fabulous, to me garment manufacturing is where it's at the moment. The increased demand for made in the UK products is an all-time high from retailers, small brands, and no one gives the flexibility or the adaptability as a UK manufacturer that has got good accreditation such as SMETA, SMETA, as well as Fast Forward. We're very lucky here because we've worked quite hard with very deep foundations, and we're the only factory in the UK that has a leading status in the Fast Forward audit, so absolutely credit to the team. We can make beautiful, beautiful garments as you see here. This is garments that we make for Gormley & Gamble, which is Savile tailors. We also make beautiful silk garments for people like Louisa Paris, who is actually a fabulous artist that has now transformed her beautiful works of art onto silk, and she's selling on Net-a-Porter. And then this is one of our garments that we make in-house. This is for Bells of London, where we use our satin silks. So to be able to make these garments, there are so many touch points. There's 132 stages from idea generation all the way through to garment delivery and having feedback. And what we aim to do is be the best we can in our garment manufacturing. So we are totally ethical. We have a system called Galaxius that we had created with a great guy called Mark Randall. It took us 4 years to develop this system whereby we know who's made what stitch on what garment at any one time. And our average rates for our machinists are £11 to £19 an hour. So that's great pay. And actually the more they make, then the more production we can get out, and there's real performance related pay available. However, what we did realise was that there's a real shortage of skills, and that's why we opened up the Fashion Technology Academy, and we opened that up with ASOS, with Haringey Council, and this has been supported by the GLA as well. Anybody can literally do an illustration, anybody can use software packages, but to then transform that into 2D, 3D and make garments is where the technical skills lie. So we can go all the way through from level 1 through to level 5 in qualifications, and also the apprenticeship programme is fantastic. If you want to really learn how to make garments and be a designer that understands what fabrics are right for what styles, then you really need to understand all those 132 touch points, which is what you do with the apprenticeship programme. What we found as well is that the retailers now want speed of response. All of our fabrics are locally sourced from Leicester and they are excellent, they are well tested. We will wait a week for fabric to come in that's been dyed to order, and then within 2 weeks the production's ready. We're making up to 40,000 garments a week, and that includes our Welsh factory, which we opened in September 2020. So this is the time for garment manufacturing. If you can just remember the importance of speed of response, transparency. Our orders are actually being reduced. So there was a time when we would be making 4,000 of a garment. We don't today. We're making on average anywhere between 500 and 800 units, and that's got to be good for the planet. It means that retailers are selling their garments at full price, and then as a result of that, people's propensity to keep the garment is longer. It is not going into landfill. So please join us in the wonderful world of garment manufacturing, and thank you for your time.